Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Nicole Davidson. I am the owner of Picasso Media, which is a digital marketing agency based on the New South Wales Central Coast, and we support our customers with website design and local SEO services. In this video, I'm really quickly going to touch on a new feature that has arrived as part of Google My Business profiles. This new feature gives you the ability to actually add your social media links directly to your Google My Business profile, which previously wasn't available. And I'm really quickly going to actually do a demonstration on how you can add that to your profile. It's really simple, but I wanted to really quickly touch on this and show you how that you can do this. So first, if you are not sure where you need to go, you can just simply type in your business name and hopefully your Google My Business profile comes up. If you are logged in to your Google My Business profile, you should see this come up for your business, but if not, you can go directly to the Google My Business link, which I'll add to the video below, and you can jump in and edit from there. Once you click into your business, you're going to see this edit profile icon, and you're going to simply click on that. This is going to provide you with all the different information for your business profile, and this is where you come to edit any of the information that is on your business profile. What you want to do though is click on the contact tab up the top, and this is going to provide you with the new section called social profiles, and you're just simply going to click on here, and from this area you're able to add different profiles. Now Google has said that you're able to add one profile for each social media platforms that they provide on here. That includes Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter or X, which it's currently known as now, Pinterest and TikTok. So you can choose the different ones on here. So for now we're going to do Facebook, and we're going to pop in our Facebook URL. Just going to pop that in here, and then we're going to add our next social media profile, which is our Instagram, and we're going to you can keep adding as many profiles as you wish. Once you've added the social media profiles, so you can click on here, you can see that there are LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube available. Once you've finished adding them, you can just simply click on, we're going to delete that, and click save, and that's going to add these to your profile, and it'll say pending, and generally it will take around 10 minutes for that to be added to your profile as well. And that's basically it. That's all you need to do. That's going to add that straight to your Google My Business profile. You can see here that our edit that we've made is now currently being reviewed. So we're going to come back in a minute and just double check that this has all been added as we want. Okay, so I really quickly added the remainder of my social media profiles, and I've waited around 10 minutes and refreshed my page, and now I'm going to really quickly just show you how the social media profiles display on your Google My Business profile. So you can see my profile here, and as you scroll down you can now see that the profiles have now been added and people can click through to the relevant page. I hope that this has really helped you. It was a really quick video on how to add these social profiles to your Google My Business page. If you're after any website design, local SEO or marketing help, you can find us at Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, or you can find us on the profiles below, but I will link that in the video. And if you do have any questions at all, feel free to leave a comment and I will get back to you soon. But in the meantime, you can find me at picassomedia.com.au.